Section 5.5, number 4, 5, 6, and 9. These problems all have negative exponents in them. The thing to remember about negative exponents is that it makes your term switch from either the numerator to the denominator or from the denominator to the numerator, depending where it starts off. So for example, 4 to the minus 2, think of this as being over 1. It gets switched down to the denominator. It goes to the other position. So we leave 1 on top as a placeholder for the numerator. The 4 goes down and the negative becomes a positive 2 instead. And 1 over 4 squared would be 1 over 16. So a negative exponent always switches to the number to the other position. And that's the final answer for number 4. Number 5, we have 1/7 all to the minus 2. We can use a power rule here and give the minus 2 to both the numerator and denominator, because all of the exponent rules that we've done so far with positive exponents are exactly the same when you have negatives. So first use the exponent rule, the power rule, to distribute the minus 2. So we get 1 to the minus 2 over 7 to the minus 2. And then you look at each item that has a negative exponent gets switched to the other position of the fraction. So this 1 to the minus 2 switches down and becomes 1 to the positive 2. 7 to the minus 2 goes up and becomes 7 squared.
She's busy right now.
That gives us 7 squared is 49 over 1, or just 49. And that would be our final answer for that one.
Sure, what's your number, Rob?
And then the next one, number 6, 2/5 to the minus 2. Again, we can distribute using the power rule to the 2 and the 5. So we have 2 to the minus 2 over 5 to the minus 2. Each of these have a negative exponent, so they're both going to switch to the other position. 5 goes up, becomes 5 squared. 2 goes down and becomes 2 squared. And that gives us 25 over 4. Number 9, this 5 has a negative exponent and it's starting in the denominator, so that means it's going to shift up into the numerator. So wherever you're starting from, a negative exponent makes you shift to the other position. So it becomes 5 squared. And you could think of it as over 1 or just plain old 5 squared. Either way, you'll get a 25.